Welcome to our exploration of intellectual property in the culinary world. Food is more than just sustenance, it is culture. It is art. Recipes, the blueprints of culinary creations, are valuable intellectual property. They represent the creativity and expertise of chefs, food writers, and home cooks alike. Protecting recipes through intellectual property rights is crucial for encouraging innovation and ensuring fair compensation for creators. Intellectual property, or IP, refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs, and symbols. IP rights provide legal protection for these creations, granting creators exclusive rights to use, sell, and distribute their work. In the culinary world, IP protection can safeguard recipes from unauthorized use, copying, and commercial exploitation. Recipes are essentially sets of instructions for preparing dishes. They detail ingredients, proportions, cooking techniques, and presentation. Protecting recipes ensures that creators receive recognition for their work and can benefit financially from their culinary innovations. It also fosters a culture of creativity in the food industry, encouraging chefs and food entrepreneurs to experiment and develop new dishes. The absence of IP protection for recipes can have detrimental effects. Without legal safeguards, recipes can be easily copied and used without permission. This can lead to unfair competition, as others profit from the hard work and ingenuity of recipe creators. It can also discourage culinary innovation, as chefs may be hesitant to share their unique creations for fear of plagiarism.
In a world that's ever changing, full of